Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today we're going to make this flower. It's called the Chicory Flower and it consists of 10 petals and is extremely easy to work up. So grab your yarn and your hook and let's do this. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. This channel is updated with free patterns and tutorials 24/7. If you are a returning viewer, you have no excuse. Hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching and for all the support. If you have any comments or if you try this, please, and you upload it, tag me in your video so I can see what you're doing. So for this, you're going to have a magic ring. If you're not sure how to make a magic circle or a magic ring, please check it out on my channel. There is free basics that will teach you how to do every stitch. So you're going to, you can, if you don't want to do this magic circle, you can always chain 3, but then it doesn't give you a nice effect on the inside here. And this is the better part of it. I've tried both and I much prefer the magic circle. Right. So once you have your magic ring, you're going to make 9, you're going to first secure it with a slip stitch and make 9 single crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pull to tighten. What's nice about this flower is that it's a perfect applique motif that you can put on a bag, a cap, a hat. You're going to slip stitch to join. So when you slip stitch into your very first single crochet that you made. Row 2 and now this is an extremely quick pattern to work up. You're going to make, in the first single crochet, chain 6. And then you're going to make 1 double treble. A double treble, so this is a normal treble, has 2, a double treble has 3. So you will yarn over 3 times. Once you yarn over 3 times, you're going to go into the exact same space and pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Now you're going to chain 5. You're going to be wondering why. The one chain that from your 6 that you started with, the very first one, is going to count as your first single crochet. Go back into the exact same space and make 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, and this is the stitch that you will repeat, 1 single crochet, 5 chain, 1 double treble, into the same space, 5 chain, and 1 single crochet into the same space. Please repeat this. You can pause this video, you can slow it down from your settings, but keep on repeating this until you get to the very last one, and that is where I'm going to meet you. So this is the last one, the last petal. Same story, single crochet, 5 chain, and a double treble, 5 chain, 1 single crochet into the same space, So the very first chain that you have when you initially started, when I said chain 6, the first one that you did, you're going to slip stitch into it, chain 1, and pull your tail. Cut, cut. Of course, you will either use a darning needle or a smaller crochet hook, and you will work in your tail pieces. You're going to flatten your flower out a bit. And here you go. One beautiful chicory flower. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Queen Phoenix out. Enjoy crocheting. Peace.